In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make big text in Discord. If you've ever wanted your message to really stand out in a channel, maybe for an announcement, a headline, or just a bit of emphasis, Discord has a simple built-in way to do it using formatted text. You won't need any bots or special permissions, just your regular message box. Start by typing the message you want to highlight into the text field like you normally would. Keep it on a single line for best results. Once you've written your text, place your cursor right at the very beginning of that line. Now, type a hashtag symbol, followed by a single space. That space is important because it tells Discord to treat the line as a heading. Think of it like a title format. When you're ready, press enter to send your message, and you'll see a larger, bold version of your text appear in the chat. This is great for drawing attention and keeping conversations organized. If you want a slightly smaller headline that still stands out, use 2 hashtags before your text, again with a space after them. That gives you a medium-sized heading, still bold, but not as large as the first one. For a smaller headline that remains bold and clear, add 3 hashtags at the start of the line, followed by a space, and then your text. This third option is perfect when you want emphasis, without taking up too much screen space. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. Make sure the hashtag symbols come before your text, right at the start of the line, and that there's exactly 1 space after them. Without that space, Discord will treat the message like regular text and nothing will change. Also, this works the same way whether you're on desktop or mobile. On many keyboards, the hashtag is the pound symbol you'll find above the number 3. If you're on a phone, you can switch to the symbol's keyboard to find it. That's really all there is to it. Type your message, add 1, 2, or 3 hashtags at the beginning with a space, press enter, and your text will show up big, medium, or small, each style bold and attention-grabbing. It's a quick, reliable way to structure conversations, call out key points, and make your messages easier to read at a glance. Give it a try in your next chat, and you'll see how much cleaner and clearer your server can look. And there you go. That's all.